Here's the filter. Looks like that. Looks like toilet paper. And then,
All right. First thing you do is press the button here.
all right,
It's the white button.
all right.
Change to this screen. Filter paper install.
Take that away.
And then flip the paper. Reach under, grab and lift. Pull that out of the way. And then back on, but this piece of paper needs to go up and over. There's a back bar here. That back bar right there needs to go up and over the back bar.
Up and over. Okay.
And then there's a bar right here. It needs to go underneath that bar. Like that. And then pull this through here. Lift up. You'll see it sits underneath both rollers. Make sure you pull enough that it drops down into the hole down here.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Down there. All right.
Yep, and then
Okay.
that's it.
Oh, very nice. Okay, that's what it looks like, folks. Then put that thing back.
Yep.
All right.
All right.
Sweet. I appreciate it. Thank you.
No problem.